Hello, Kenta friends. Today we will introduce you to iPhone Max Launcher, iOS Control Center, and iOS Music Player, three fantastic apps that will help you bring the iOS experience to your Android device. Let's dive in. iPhone Max Launcher. iPhone Max Launcher is an application that allows Android users to transform the look and feel of their device's interface to closely resemble that of an iPhone. With iPhone Max Launcher, users can customize their app icons, layout, and overall design to mimic the sleek and elegant aesthetic of Apple's iOS. The launcher also offers features such as swipe controls, customizable themes, and an intuitive user interface that provides a seamless transition for users wanting to experience the visual aspects of an iPhone on their Android device. iOS Control Center. iOS Control Center is a handy application for Android users looking to replicate the convenience and functionality of the Control Center feature found on iPhones. With iOS Control Center, users can quickly access and manage various settings and controls, such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, screen brightness, music playback, and more. The app provides a user-friendly interface that displays all essential controls in a single panel, allowing for easy and efficient navigation without the need to dig through multiple menus or settings. iOS Music Player. iOS Music Player is a feature-rich music player application for Android that emulates the aesthetics and functionality of the music player found on iOS devices. Users can enjoy a simple and intuitive interface that offers quick access to their music library, customizable playlists, and a range of playback options. The app supports a variety of music file formats, provides an equalizer for sound customization, and allows users to easily organize and manage their music collection with ease. With iOS Music Player, Android users can enjoy a premium music listening experience similar to that of an iPhone user. And there you have it, folks. We've delved into the world of iOS-inspired applications for Android and discovered some incredible tools to enhance your user experience. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.